Hi, guys! Creating creatives for a comic book trip is a fascinating process that requires imagination and good artistic skills. Here are a few steps that help me with this process. Idea development. Come up with a compelling story or comic book concept. Consider different genres and topics to help you stand out and grab readers' attention. Character creation. Develop the main characters of the comic. Determine their appearance, characteristics, skills, and the characteristics of their voice and gestures. Remember that unique and memorable characters help attract audiences. Decide on an art style. Choose an art style that matches the comic. Use a variety of techniques and elements to add uniqueness to your work, such as outlines, shadows, lighting, and details. Developing shots. Divide the story into individual shots. Determine how each shot will look and how the action or dialogue will be conveyed. Different camera angles, perspectives, frame sizes, and placements can add interest and dynamism to a comic. Coloring. If you decide to color the comic, determine the colors for each character and mood in the story. Use colors to emphasize mood and change scenes. Adding text, place dialogue and speech bubbles to match the frames of the comic. Choose fonts that are bright and easy to read. Keep in mind that a balanced placement of text and images will allow readers to more easily become immersed in the story. Post-production. Once all the work is complete, edit and tweak all the details to make sure the comic looks cohesive and professional. You can also add special effects or filters to give your work a unique style. Publishing and getting feedback. Share your comic with others to get feedback and understand how you can improve your art and storytelling. Post the comic online or pitch it to comic book publishers. Don't forget that practice and experimentation will help you improve your skills and develop your own style with each new comic. Thank you for watching my video to the end, and good luck to you. Bye-bye.